The Institutional Quality Assurance Cell of United International University, or IQAC has developed an online platform for faculties to develop their course syllabus and post it in a central repository so that the course files and the course syllabuses as well can be accessible, visible, and exchangeable from a central networking system. As well as it also helps to update the course syllabuses regularly and periodically. It also helps mapping the course learning outcomes and program learning outcomes of different programs offered by United International University. So when a faculty plans to develop a course syllabus, IQAC UIU has developed some instructions about how to develop a course syllabus. So here you can see that when we open the instruction, here we have the screenshots for the beginners to go step by step about how to proceed with developing a course syllabus. And the other help lines that we have are also for instructions and also specific specimen about course syllabus and also lesson plan forms. So when we see the course syllabus form here, we can see the instructions that how to develop it, and here you can see a specimen as well as the explanations for each of the sections. So here the green text are explaining the contents of the course syllabus, which is in black text, black fonts you can say. So a new faculty can easily understand, for example, as a specification, course learning outcomes. Here when a faculty first works with developing the course learning outcomes, here it explains the theory behind the course learning outcomes, what are the criteria we should follow, and then a specimen about how a course learning outcome can be developed. So here the faculty can get the early instructions about how to develop it, and when he's ready to start developing the course syllabus, he can go for the entry options, so course syllabus entry options, and there he will choose his trimester. For example, I'm just taking a previous one early trimester to show an example of a course syllabus. So the program is to be selected, and then the course, so I'm taking one course and then I'm loading the course. So here in this green button we find the level of progress about this course syllabus. So when we see 100%, it means it has been completely developed. And here we have we have seen that in earlier file that we can have the samples, and even when the faculty has started developing it, and if he feels any necessity for looking into the samples, he can click here and go to the sample view. And here when he develops the syllabus to some extent, then he can see the report. He can see the syllabus either in an HTML format or in a PDF format, and if he wants, he can actually give some feedback, and also for technical supports he can contact the concerned person at IQAC UIU. And for new change, when he edits the course syllabus by coming later on the platform, then he can just this is just an instruction that how to do it, for any beginners who are not an expert users. So here in these sections we have actually all. So I will just start. So we have here 11 sections. The first section is about the basic information, counseling hours. Second one, third one, book and reference. 4, equipments and course information. 5, course objectives. 6, course learning outcomes or CLO. Of 7, teaching methods and topic outline. 8, assessment methods. 9, grading policy. 10, additional course policies, and finally additional information that the faculty wants to share. So with the basic information, since it is digitally and on the online platform of the IQAC, and IQAC UIU actually has links with the digital the educational management system followed at UIU, which is called UCAM. So for that reasons, I mean, for initial information, a faculty need not to give a lot of inputs. He can just get these things automatically generated when he log into the portal. And here, I mean, at certain places where he needs to give inputs, and if he thinks that he need explanations, then he can just click on this question icon, and it will pop up with the explanation about what to write in that section or what to give input in that section. So for each section where the faculty, or each place where the faculty need to give an input, it automatically readily generates the help menu if the faculty need it. For the counseling hours, when the faculty writes about the counseling hours, I mean, it is flexible for the faculty to write any time. I mean, and if he thinks that he will change it, he can always change it. So, and then he has the option to edit it. I mean, so when he finish developing it, he can just click on. So, for example, here I want to add one more slot for the counseling. So I can just add more. I can click on add more, and one more day will be open. But then I think that, oh no, I want to delete this button. And then after I have made the editing, I have completed the editing, I can just click on save options, and it will be saved on the database. So for books and reference, I mean, here we have same the features, but then for equipments, you can see that all standard procedures, I mean, for teaching and teaching materials and other things that we are planning to take, these things are written there. And also we see the course rationale and the course descriptions are there. So, and then course objectives, which is the teacher's perspective about the outcome of this course. But then we have also students side statements about what they are going to get from this course as an outcome, as a skill outcome. And then we have the teaching methods, which we can also call as topic outlines, and then assessment methods or assessment strategies that will be followed in this course, the grading policy, which is also automatically generated from the system of UIU for the faculty, because it is an uniform grading system throughout the university. And then in the additional information, for example, here in this course syllabus, we have given information about the academic calendar, academic information and policies as available at UIU. So this is all about the course syllabus systems. So when a faculty finish doing or developing the course syllabus, he can just save all this all these things, and then he can actually he can use it later. So for example, I want to show you that for example, for a fall 2017 semester, one faculty wants to develop a course syllabus, but this faculty has taken this course, the course he is going to take for fall 2007, which is the forthcoming trimester, and he wants to see that whether his earlier course syllabus can be imported for this purpose. So here I am trying with the trimester. It is our forthcoming trimester, fall 2017, but the course has not been declared yet. So let's go to the current trimester. So in this trimester, I have summer 2017, and I have a course called Business Research Methodology. So for this course, since if I have taken this course before and I have already developed the course syllabus, I can simply just go to the previous trimesters. I can select the programs under which I have taken this course, and I can also select and then this course will come as a choice. So I can just simply duplicate that that course, and I can actually do an editing or updating that course for this trimester. So it actually reduce the workload for the faculties to develop a new course syllabus for a course that has already been taken. And so it can be the new syllabus for the course can be updated with minimum effort. And the second thing is that for an administrator, when he wants to see that for a trimester, like in summer or in summer 2017, under his program, how many course syllabuses have been developed. So here we see, all options. So when we click on that, it's I think in the view. So here it shows the record of all faculties who has developed the course syllabuses and who has finished it. So since it's quite innovative thing at the university, so most of the faculties, they have developed their hard copies, and they have shared, which is mandatory at the university. But online wise, it is yet to get full momentum. But the program is in place, and you can see the those who has complied with the online platform course syllabus developments, and those who are still lagging to meet the requirements. And then we can have also this course syllabus in other report format. For example, in PDF format, if I want to see that my course syllabus for a course, for example, under the BBA program, I have taken some courses. So I want to check, actually in spring 2017, I remember that I have taken the marketing management course. So I want to just okay, let me check with one course. So this is the course I have taken, and let's see. So here you will see that the course it's in the PDF format, and if I want, I can just simply download the syllabus in Word format, PDF format, or Excel format, and then I can share it with my students. So it just reduces the job. And the course, now after this we will talk about, and we need to also upload this course syllabus in the course file system. But since this is already given input in the system, so it will automatically upload it on the course file, as well as the lesson plans the faculty has developed. They will be automatically linked in the course file system. So that's the way UIU is now using the online platform for developing the course syllabus systems. Thank you.